Now that we've created the sticky note, the next part of our visual, or creating our visual for A3 digital snapshotting, is to actually take a screenshot of what you created. Now, it's handy here because our information that we need to remember how to take a screenshot is right in front of us. It's on our sticky note. So if I was going to take a whole screenshot of this screen, everything that's on my screen right now, I would hold down Shift Apple 3. So I'm going to do that right now just for the heck of it, just for demonstration here. So I'm going to go Shift Apple 3, and then we'll see if we can hear the shutter sound or not here. I'm not sure if it'll come in on this recording or not, but you'll see the shutter sound go off, then you'll see a icon show up over here on my desktop. So I'm going to go Apple Shift 3. And hopefully you heard that click. Oh, I actually got two out of there. I'm not sure why I created two screenshots. But they definitely need one. I'm not sure why that one showed up. I'm going to put that off to the side here for now. We don't really need it. But anyway, here's my screenshot here that we took with Apple Shift and 3. Now it's the whole screen. For this purpose, though, we don't really want a screenshot of the whole screen. We want a screenshot of just part of it, just the sticky note. Let me go back to this real quick. I wanted to show you the information now that it gives you here when it takes a screenshot. It just calls it a screenshot, and then it timestamps it with the time and date that the screenshot was taken. So that's pretty handy. We'll come back to that in a moment, though, because we do want to get in the habit of changing the names of these as we take them. But let's go back to here now, and let's take a picture of just this sticky note so we can use it in our presentation for A3 ICANN. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now hit Shift Apple 4 this time for this. Now I want you to watch my cursor carefully. I'm going to kind of click my cursor a couple times here in the circle. Watch my cursor as I hit Shift Apple 4. My cursor's right here. Let me go ahead and do it right now. Shift Apple 4. Now hopefully you saw the cursor turned from its kind of normal cursor in text shape to this crosshair shape. And the reason it goes to a crosshair shape is because we can use it now to select what part of the screen we're going to take a picture of. Now, I always like to start in the upper left-hand corner of whatever I'm going to take a picture of. You can start in any part of it you want, but you want to definitely start in a corner, okay? Because what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag. Now, I have not hit my mouse button yet. I've just moved the mouse. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, or just my single mouse button if it's a single mouse, and I'm going to hold, click, and drag what it is I want to take a screenshot of. Okay? And once I figure that out, you can see the gray area here of what I'm taking a screenshot of. Once I have what I want, I like what I'm seeing, I'm going to let go, and it takes a screenshot of just what I selected. Now it's over here. Okay? And if you open this up, all right, in preview, you'll see that the screenshot that you took a picture of. So it's an actual image. Lastly, what we want to do is we always want to go in and we want to make sure that we retitle this so we accurately know what it is. Okay, because otherwise, if you're taking a lot of screenshots, you'll just see a lot of files named screenshot, and then you got to go in and take a look at them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on it once. Let me click on it once. Wait a second, and then down here in the title area, click again. And then it goes into edit mode. Hopefully you notice it's in edit mode now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to title it Controls for Mac Screenshots. Alright, so now when I look at it, I can see by its title what it is I took a screenshot of. And that's the basics, the gist of it. Just a reminder, you can take a screenshot of anything that shows up on your screen. Any website, any picture, image, video, all that kind of stuff. And we'll talk about how this is a very helpful and important tool in our learning here with digital technology.